In the textile industry, a stable steam supply is the key to ensuring production capacity. Fuel costs usually account for the largest part of boiler operating costs. Choosing the right fuel and boiler type not only affects operating costs, but also affects production continuity and environmental protection indicators. In order to solve the industry pain points such as limited fuel selection and unstable supply, EPCB has developed a new dual-fuel boiler for the textile industry: diesel biomass dual-mode combustion system. The boiler has a unique structure. The lower part is equipped with a grate for burning biomass solid fuel. The combustion chamber is equipped with a burner interface, which can be quickly switched to diesel mode. This boiler is not only compatible with a variety of fuels, but also optimizes combustion efficiency, effectively reduces NOx emissions, and meets industry environmental protection standards. Provide green, economical and stable steam guarantee for customers in the textile industry. Efficient operation reduces the risk of downtime and brings real cost reduction and efficiency improvement to your textile factory. EPCB, your private boiler system expert.